Hello, in this A-frame WebVR tutorial, we're going to look at model loading. So loading external models is a great way of making your theme look more realistic, more dynamic, more engaging. Chances are if you're creating any sort of 3D project, whether it's a game, tech demo, whatever, you'll be doing some sort of model loading. If you've ever done OpenGL, for example, and tried to create your own model loader, you'll know how much of a hassle it is. There are model loaders out there. Fortunately, they're not always the best, but with A-frame model loading is simple. It's essentially just like adding an image on a plane. It is fantastic in A-frame. So I've got some models right here. I've got one model actually, which is this. Looks like it's missing something. Let's go to it. Models. Oh yeah, just didn't appear in here for some reason. Yep, the .obj is the model, so I'm using a wavefront model and got a material file, and the material file refers to these images as well. At the moment these do not look like much as well, and neither does the object file, but trust me, once it's loaded it's gonna look awesome. So first of all, we're gonna load the asset up, so using the asset manager. So a asset dash item id equals, so this is how we're going to refer to it later. I'm going to put crate. Now I'm going to put object, actually object source equals models / as tech dash tempo .obj. Now let's close this off. I'm going to copy and paste this. The only thing I need to change is the extension here and this to material. That's it for asset loading. You might be thinking, what about these image files? And the reason we don't need to load these, because in the material file, if we have a look, they actually refer to our images, which is fantastic. If you've done anything like that before, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, check out our education platform, solarlearning.co.uk, and we've got tutorials on there for Blender, we've got tutorials on there for Maya. Recommend checking out Autodesk Maya or 3ds Max. They're great tools, and they've got great student licenses that you can easily check out. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend checking them out. So now let's load our model. So let's show it. We've already loaded it. A-obj-model. So for the source, we simply put hashtag object, and now we put mtl, which is the material file. We put hashtag material, and now close it off, save that. Let's go to our web browser, refresh. I can't see anything, so let's right click. Okay, we got some sort of error. So that doesn't really help at all. So let's make sure everything that we've done is, well, on point pretty much. Aztec-tempo.obj, that looks like what it should be called. Just to make sure, I'm gonna copy it and now paste it in here. So if I were to go yep, doesn't look like it's changed anything. So let's keep looking at it. So a-obj, you know what, I'm going to delete this line, save it, refresh. Okay, so the errors disappear. So it is something to do with this. It does not like this whatsoever. So just make sure that we've got everything that should be there. id is equal to object, id is equal to material, which is referred to in the correct way from where I can see. Let's go back, refresh it again in case it was. I don't think I saved it. Refresh. Type error. That is really weird. You know what? I'm not even going to apply material. I'm just going to see how this ends up. So yeah, just does not like this whatsoever. So, again, that's very, very weird. Again, I've got it in my folder right here. It's not appearing there, but it is here. Make sure that's not an alias or anything. Shouldn't be. So that is the actual OBJ file. Make sure all the tags are closed off. MTL, yep. SRC for source. This is really, really weird. You know what? I'm just going to try, and I'm going to show you this anyway. Just try and circumvent this by directly loading it instead of using the model loader. This isn't a recommended way. One, I was going to show you anyway so you know. And two, let's see if it works like this. No, it does not. There's something about this that it is not liking whatsoever. I want to know what the hell it is. You know what? I'm going to remove this. See if I get any sort of different type of error. Now the error is still literally the same. I think, yeah, I've seen what I've done. Oh, my bad. This, I went full retard. This needs to be within the scene. These need to be wrapped in an A-assets tag, like so. The reason this was moaning because this wasn't within the scene, whereas these were, otherwise these would have moaned as well. Let's just close this off actually. Save that, and this should work now. So if I go back to my web browser, refresh, boom, it works. And look, it looks pretty darn cool. That was really, really weird. So yeah, now that it is working, what I would recommend for you to do, one, don't make the same mistake I did. Two, swap these out so you're directly loading. It's not recommended, but it'll be great for learning. Three, start removing some of these images or just renaming them and just see what happens when you can't load them. It'll be a great way to see how A-Frame handles model loading errors and problems. And that's it for model loading. I had a bit of a blunder there, sorry about that. So if you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. There'll be a link in the description, plus there'll be another link in the description to a source code from every video in this series. If you like this video and you like my blunder, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. If you didn't like my blunder, then leave a comment as well. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.